Hey everyone, welcome back to NailNovice. I am still a bit under the weather, so bear with my voice today. Today I'm showing you how to stamp using pigment powders. You're going to start by applying 2 coats of your chosen background colour, curing between each layer, and a lighter colour will work best for this effect. Out of the lamp, leave the inhibition layer on. The pigment needs something to adhere to. You're going to want to use a well-etched stamping plate for this, which not all plates are, so the powder can get into all the grooves of the design properly. You're also going to want a heavy pigment powder. Glitters and thinner, lighter pigments don't tend to work. Place the pigment straight onto your plate, more of a patting motion rather than rubbing, and use your scraper to ensure all pigment is off the raised area of the plate where you don't want any pigment to sit. Roll your stamper over the pigment as you would when using a standard stamping polish, and press the design down onto the nail and onto that inhibition layer. Seal the pigment in with a structure gel or top coat, and top coat, cure, and cleanse to finish. That's it for today's nail design. Be sure to check out my playlist for other designs using nail pigment powders and subscribe.